Jesus.
What's up?
She's speeding.
Huh? What?
Speeding.
Speeding.
Look how fast she's going.
Who's fading?
Emma's speeding.
What?
So look how fast she was going. Now it's not doing it. It was showing her actually driving.
How?
Oh, I got to see her going down the road. Not her, but a dot.
Oh.
She's on Keys Road. She just passed the giant lake. She's just going past. Yeah, she's just passing the giant lake, Lake Winnebago. Okay.
How much longer does she have to get home?
Like 20, 30 minutes.
She must have stopped or something. But
Might have.
okay. Well, if you hear from her, let me know.
Right on.
Otherwise, at around midnight, check the location, and if you see she's there, let me know.
Right on.
Because I won't go to bed until I know that she's okay.
Okay.
And you guys are okay?
Yep, we're at the spot, just getting our poles up.
Okay, well, I'll let you go then.
Right on. Love you.
And just check the time and check around midnight for me.
I will. I'll let you know.
Love yous.
I'll let you know.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Okay. Love you too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. There's a fucking hole right there.
Look. These things will take them off for this Velcro. Open them up.
How bad?